The Algorand cost has likewise seen a descending energy since the crypto market decline in May 2022. The ALGO token was exchanging around 77 cents when the land disaster occurred, changing the elements of the whole crypto market. The cost strongly tumbled to 37 cents in a couple of days. After some union, the cost additionally tumbled to 27 cents that very day when Bitcoin value tumbled to $17,744. From that point forward, the token has been exchanging somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 15 cents. According to our Algorand cost expectation, the coin will carve out opportunity to recuperate from this defeat before it can turn productive. What is Algorand? Algorand, a potential blockchain stage, gives lightning-quick exchanges by overwhelming the intricacies of decentralization. Algorand organization was rejuvenated by Silvio Micali and his group of driving cryptographers, software engineering specialists, mathematicians, and market analysts zeroed in on creating tech that will engage clients to prevail in the state-of-the-art existence. It was seen that coins like Ethereum were not completely adaptable. Subsequently, they instituted the advantage of utilizing evidence of stake sidechains associated with the root chain. Here, every single individual chain manages its free blockchain framework with its agreement instrument and block validators, and make more kid chains of its own. Algorand. The ALGO token Algorand organization's group has delivered interface libraries that will be an innovator. The organization likewise brought a one-of-a-kind token ALGO that is currently a significant hit at the famous trades coordinating the speed with other digital forms of money. Vantage ALGO. The huge potential for installments coordinating Algorand on dApps empowers settlement at whatever point and any place, and the confirmation of such exchanges gets handled in only a couple of moments with the most reduced expenses. Algorand savvy agreements are trustless projects that execute on-chain, where clients can be certain that the program ran without mistake and the outcomes were not altered. They are incorporated into Algorand's Layer 1 to give security, strong speed, scale, irreversibility, security, and cost viability. Algorand can naturally uphold custom standards and rationale, from basically characterizing how resources can be moved to complex application rationale and stream. Algorand are written in another dialect called Exchange Execution Endorsement Language and Python, a Python language restricting. ALGO coin is a cryptographic money of Algorand blockchain, which is venturing into NFT, virtual monetary forms, and DeFi. Algorand reinforced gaming networks by securing their presentation and handling exchanges inside a brief period. Algorand clients will quite often send and get installments in their ideal cash by means of Algorand shrewd agreements as it controls the transformation and changes through trades. Most recent news on Algorand organization. A ton of the things in the crypto market rely upon the moving news and opinions of the dealers and financial backers. Thus, watching out for what's going on in the crypto world becomes imperative. Algorand coin has seen a great deal of acknowledgement in the ongoing year. One of the top organizations is among FIFA and Algorand. The Algorand organization will turn into the authority blockchain of FIFA. In this association, Algorand will help FIFA in fostering the advanced resources system, while FIFA will give sponsorship resources. El Salvador has additionally cooperated with Algorand to make blockchain foundation. Another significant organization is among Algorand and Symbol. With this coordination, Algorand will have a security cooperate with the BTP combination. This will assist the Algorand with systems administration be more different and energetic. In addition to that, the flying organization Air Europa has reported that it will team up with Algorand. Algorand blockchain will be utilized to mint Air Europa's NFTs. TravelX will likewise be essential for this cooperation and assist with circulating Europa span the actual transportation world with the blockchain. This will make Air Europa the very first carrier to utilize blockchain for stock conveyance and the executives. And that is not the end. Algorand has held hands with a great deal of other immense establishments, like LimeWire, NJ, NY Gotham FC, HipJump Craftsman DMC, Symbol, and some more. Each of this shows the strength and security of the Algorand blockchain, and its reception will help the symbolic cost. Yearly Algorand Value Forecast 2023 to 2030. The brain research of brokers assumes a significant part in market opinion. Crypto costs are exceptionally delicate to the group's mentality towards giving a significant value activity to any computerized cash. In this manner, never neglect to do point-by-point research on a crypto forecast prior to putting your cash. The ongoing cost of Algorand waits around 21 cents with a market capitalization of $1,549,679,356 with a flowing inventory of $7,127,274,136 ALGO. The Algorand People Group has set higher benchmarks for itself, driving a change in any case. Sell Algorand at the opposition level and purchase Algorand at the help level. This procedure can assist financial backers with making a transient benefit. Before we start our Algorand cost expectation, how about we concentrate on the value history of the token? Toward the finish of 2019, the Algorand cost exchanged around 25 cents, while in only 2 months, the ALGO cost shot up to 49 cents. Later in 2020, ALGO cost denoted a lofty fall during the walk crash, and afterward, it recaptured its lost force. The cost again went to 66 cents in the following 5 months. At long last, after some high points and low points, the ALGO token contacted the $1 mark. A regularly noticed quality of Algorand projection is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating conduct like other digital currencies. The brain science of clients incredibly drives the crypto market feelings. Remembering this, underneath are the Algorand cost expectations for coming years. Algorand value expectation 2023 as per Algorand expectation 2023. With any progressions in approaches and guidelines, Algorand may have its portion of murky days at its cost showing some opposition. According to our Algorand cost estimate, the coin could cruise tranquilly around 33 cents with a most extreme cost of 47 cents and least cost of 19 cents, making it not fall in cost but rather play reliably. ALGO coin value expectation 2024. In the event that Algorand focuses on additional turns of events and basics, the ALGO coin could reflect huge development in the forthcoming years. It wouldn't be an embellishment to find that Algorand's cost will scale to a pinnacle of 59 cents, which is plus 43% to the most recent costs. Sometime or another, however, the equivalent can't be known as an extremely exaggerated and light reach. In view of the Algorand expectation, the base cost for the year may be 41 cents. Algorand value expectation 2025. Algorand has previously embraced the POS system and accordingly has gigantic development anticipated in the impending years. The future value energy is really brilliant for Algorand. In view of our Algorand cost gauge, a drawn-out increment is normal, and ALGO exchange is green for the period. The cost could come to the 75 cents mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand forecast 2026. Having seen a huge DApp reception in the past pushed the cost of Algorand. The organization is very well known, with various undertakings based on it. Given the progressions are kept up with, the Algorand cost can be anticipated to take off to a greatest cost of 95 cents, which is plus 340% of the Algorand cost today. ALGO value expectation 2027. With organizations and local area subsidizing, the business sector's glance back at Algorand is supposed to perform, arriving at a cost level close $1.18. Which is plus 450% contrasted with the ongoing cost. This is a seriously hopeful Algorand figure, however unquestionably plausible instead of expressing that the cost will arrive at the moon. According to our Algorand cost forecasts, the base cost of the coin might be around 82 cents. ALGO crypto value expectation 2028. In view of the forecasts, the ALGO coin might have a base cost of 96 cents with a most extreme cost of $1.38 for the year 2028. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the token is supposed to be around $1.17 in light of our ALGO gauge. ALGO value expectation 2029 out of 2029.